I'm the Senior Research Laboratory Manager here at the Dauphin Island Sea Lab. I technically work for the University of South Alabama, and so you could say that I am in academia. The main part of my job is teaching, but I don't actually teach in a classroom, so I get to teach in a laboratory or on a boat. But one of the coolest things about my job is that I get to do research. This is our remotely operated vehicle. It's an Outland 2000. It's a small commercial class ROV, but we actually use this in research. So we use this to study the population dynamics of fishes. We're looking at abundance and distribution. We get to look at the size of the fish that are down there, and then we can also look at movement of the fishes and behavior of fish underwater. So I drive this ROV mostly offshore Alabama. So Alabama's waters near shore are pretty cloudy. You really can't see too much. If you've been to the beach in Alabama, you try to swim around or snorkel, you notice that it's not super clear. So most of the time we're working anywhere from 10, 20, all the way out to 90 miles offshore. And what we mostly study is Alabama's artificial reef zone. So what's really cool is the state of Alabama actually puts a lot of resources into its fishery and creates habitat for fish to live on. And so I get to go out to these different habitats and examine the reef type. So we look at different types of reefs. They might be rubble, rock rubble. They could be artificial reef pyramids. We can look at those different habitats. We can count the fish on the reef, see what different types of fish there are, and actually look at the size of the fish using these lasers. So anyone interested in becoming a marine biologist, a fisheries biologist, a fisheries researcher, an offshore explorer, I would say at a very young age, just read and learn as much as you can about the oceans. So study math, science, learn about technology, learn as much about computers as possible, but you don't have to live on the coast to do this type of work. So I would just say, learn as much as possible, visit on vacation like the Dauphin Island Sea Lab, and read and study as much as you can.